Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to play Sudoku, a fantastic logic puzzle often found in newspapers. The main objective is to fill a 9 by 9 grid with numbers. You'll find some cells already contain digits. Your task is to ensure that every single row, every single column, and each of the 9 3 by 3 smaller boxes within the main grid contains all the numbers from 1 to 9 with no repeats. It's a fun challenge. To start solving, first scan the grid for obvious placements. Look for rows, columns, or 3 by 3 blocks that are nearly complete. If only one number is missing from a row, for example, that's your first easy fill. Also, use pencil marks. These are small numbers you write in a cell to indicate all possible digits that could go there. This helps you visualize options and eliminate candidates as you progress through the puzzle, making it much clearer. Once you've filled in the easy numbers, you'll need some intermediate techniques. Look for naked pairs or triples where 2 or 3 cells in a unit share the exact same 2 or 3 candidates. If cells 1 and 2 in a row can only be a 2 or a 5, then no other cell in that row can be a 2 or a 5. Similarly, pointing pairs help eliminate candidates. If a number can only appear in one row or column within a 3 by 3 block, then that number cannot appear in the rest of that row or column outside the block. To truly master Sudoku, remember these tips. Always double-check your work. A single mistake early on can unravel your entire solution later. If you find yourself stuck, don't get frustrated. Simply shift your focus to another part of the grid. Sometimes a fresh perspective is all you need. Most importantly, practice makes perfect. The more puzzles you solve, the better you'll become at recognizing patterns and applying strategies. Enjoy the challenge.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.